Let's begin by diving into the wisdom of Miyamoto Musashi, a legendary samurai and philosopher who lived by a philosophy that transcends time. Musashi once said, "Today is victory over yourself, if yesterday, tomorrow is your victory over lesser men." In essence, his message speaks to the power of self-mastery, the idea that true success in life is measured not by conquering others, but by mastering oneself. Musashi's life is a living testament to this philosophy, a journey of discipline, self-refinement, and inner strength that he developed over decades of dueling, meditation, and self-discovery. Musashi believed that to conquer the world, one must first conquer oneself. This begins with the foundation of self-discipline. Everything is within, he emphasized. Seek nothing outside of yourself. Every strength, every improvement, every bit of knowledge exists within you, ready to be uncovered through deliberate effort and consistent practice. Musashi's approach to self-discipline was unwavering. He believed that without a strong will and constant control over one's thoughts and actions, mastery was simply not possible. When we talk about mastering oneself, it's not about just one part of life. Musashi taught that self-discipline should be woven into everything you do: daily routines, personal growth, skill development, and even the way you interact with others. Self-mastery is a continuous journey that builds like a muscle. With practice, you get stronger. With neglect, it fades. Just like Musashi, start with small steps. Choose one area in your life, something like waking up early, practicing a skill, or improving focus, and work at it every day without fail. It doesn't have to be perfect. The aim is progress over perfection. Musashi's life was shaped by constant practice and dedication. In his journey, he trained daily and never let himself be diverted by distractions. He would warn against the allure of quick fixes or short-lived pleasures, as they often derail our progress. Self-mastery demands a focused mind. In Musashi's view, one of the biggest enemies of growth is distraction, both external and internal. He believed that to master yourself, you must remain undisturbed by outside influences and silence the doubts that arise from within. This requires us to embrace simplicity and minimize the mental clutter that clouds our thinking. Building mental strength in your life doesn't mean ignoring fear or doubt. Instead, it's about moving forward despite them. One practice that Musashi valued for cultivating mental resilience was meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to observe your thoughts without judgment can be transformative. Meditation helps us step back, see things objectively, and stay grounded even when emotions are running high. In addition to discipline and mental resilience, Musashi also taught strategies for personal and professional growth. He saw life as a journey up a mountain, and he believed that there was more than one way to reach the summit. Musashi created a framework of 5 key strategies, each represented by a different element: earth, water, fire, wind, and void, each with its own set of teachings on how to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Earth represents stability. Just like the ground beneath us, it emphasizes the importance of building a solid foundation in life. This could mean setting clear long-term goals, defining your vision, and staying grounded in your values. With this foundation, you gain clarity and direction, a crucial first step to achieving mastery. Water signifies adaptability. Just as water flows around obstacles, it reminds us to remain flexible and adjust to changes. Life doesn't always follow our plans, and Musashi understood that success often depends on our ability to adapt. This doesn't mean abandoning goals, but rather finding new paths to reach them. Fire symbolizes decisive action. Sometimes we're called upon to act boldly. Musashi believed that in moments of opportunity, hesitation can cost us dearly. Seize the moment when it arises and trust in your preparation. Taking quick, decisive action is essential to progress. Wind represents awareness. For Musashi, awareness meant paying close attention to the world around him and learning from the strengths and strategies of others. By observing trends, staying informed, and understanding your environment, you make more informed decisions. Void symbolizes intuition. Musashi believed that sometimes logic alone isn't enough. Intuition, shaped by experience and training, often guides us when reason fails. Trusting your instincts can lead to breakthrough moments, especially in situations where all the answers aren't clear. Musashi's teachings also emphasized the power of simplicity. He believed that living minimally both physically and mentally allowed him to focus on what mattered most. This wasn't just about possessions, it was a philosophy of life. By decluttering your space and your mind, you make room for meaningful actions and clear thinking. Embracing simplicity can also mean reducing mental clutter, too many thoughts, worries, or distractions. By clearing away what's unnecessary, you create the mental space needed to act decisively and with purpose. Finally, Musashi reminds us that mastery is a lifelong journey. He didn't claim to be flawless, he was always learning and evolving. Self-mastery isn't about reaching a final destination. Instead, it's about continual progress, learning from each experience, and becoming a little better every day. Musashi's principles highlight that small, consistent actions lead to significant transformation over time. There's no such thing as overnight success. True mastery comes from unwavering dedication and daily practice. When you commit to mastering yourself, you become free from the control of external forces, inner doubts, or fleeting desires. This level of discipline and resilience empowers you to shape your life intentionally, building the future you envision. Every setback becomes a lesson, every success a step forward on your path. As you continue this journey of self-mastery, remember that true power comes from within, and like Musashi, you hold the key to unlocking it.